Welcome to Bizplay. In this quick video, you'll learn exactly how Bizplay works, from creating content to scheduling playlists. We'll walk you through everything step by step to get you started with digital signage the easy way. Let's dive in. From the dashboard, open the Pages panel. Click on Add to get started. To rename the page, simply start typing the new name and press Enter. Select the page and click on Edit to go to the page designer. Now let's add an image. You can either drag an image or click on Upload to select and upload an image. Select the image and click on Open and then Use to add the image to the page. You can double-click on the image to make it fit the screen, or drag the corners to resize it. Now let's add some text to our page. Under Basic Elements, you can find the text element. Click on it to add the text. Use the formatting toolbar to adjust the text color, font, size, and layout settings. For now, let's change the text color to white and the font to Ultra. Since the text is already selected, you can start typing right away to replace it with your own. On the left-hand side, you'll find additional settings for the text element. You can also add a page start animation from there. For now, we'll choose a pop-in animation. And that's it. Our first page is ready. Click Save and Back to return to the dashboard. Let's go ahead and add a second page right away. We'll rename this page to Page 2 and start editing. This time, we will add an image by using one of the free stock photo providers. Click on the Unsplash tab and use the search bar. For example, try searching for pizza. Once you find one you like, click on it and then hit the Use button to add it to the page. Again, we'll resize the image by dragging the corners. Now let's add some text by inserting a text element. Again, we'll change the text color to white. We'll change the text to Italian Pizza Night. On the left-hand side, you can adjust the overall text size. After increasing the size, let's change the font to give it a bit of an Italian flair. You can move the element by dragging it, just make sure to drag the text element by its edge, otherwise you'll end up selecting the text inside. Let's place it in the middle of the screen. Now instead of adding a page start animation, let's add a page end animation. Choose Fade Out. And click the Save and Back button to return to the dashboard. Since we've added 2 pages, we can now include them in a playlist. Open the playlist channel and click Add to create a new playlist. We'll rename it to Playlist 1. Simply drag the pages you want to include into your new playlist. You can also rearrange the order of the pages by dragging them. Click on Edit Playback Duration to set the playback duration for each page. Let's set the playback duration to 5 seconds. Under Page Transitions, you can choose how pages transition in the playlist. Let's set it to Fade. Now we'll save the playlist and preview it. This is the result. Okay, let's move on. Let me show you something else. Another powerful feature of Bizplay is the wide variety of templates available. Click the drop-down arrow next to Add and select Choose from Sample Page. A pop-up will open displaying all the template sets. You can choose a template based on the industry, orientation, horizontal or vertical, and more. For now, we'll use a news template. You can then rename the page and start editing. Click on the news element on the page to edit it. On the left, you can change settings like country and news source. Let's pick New York Times for now. Other settings include style, whether to include an image and its placement, and you can also adjust the text size and the font. Let's save and go back to the dashboard to add it to our playlist. Just like with the other pages, drag this page into the playlist. Click on the Pages panel to close it. Then, open the Channel panel. Let's add a new channel and rename it to Channel 1. Close the playlist, and now we can add the playlist to our channel by dragging it to our channel. After adding it, you'll see the playlist in the channel. From here, you can set when the playlist should play. For now, we'll choose continuous playback. Let's close the channel so I can show you the playback options. Clicking the play icon opens a pop-up with the available options. You can choose to register your playback device, or connect it by copying and entering the channel link. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the preview. And that's how easy it is to get started. Now go impress your audience with dynamic, professional content. And remember, you can always come back to update or expand your playlist anytime.